So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download the old and latest version of Xcode on your device. Xcode is Apple's own IDE which you can use to develop softwares specifically for Apple devices, including macOS, iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, etc. While the latest Mac supports the latest version of Xcode. If you have an old Mac running on older macOS, then you need to get an older version of Xcode that is supported on the system. You can download the latest version of Xcode from the Xcode. Here's how. Click on the App Store icon on your dock. Now click on the search bar and search for Xcode. Open it. Now click on this button to install Xcode. Now this may take some time depending on the speed of your internet. Well, this is how you can download the latest version of Xcode. But how to download the old version? Downloading the older version of Xcode is a lengthy process. You cannot get the old version directly from the App Store. To download the old version of Xcode, follow these steps. So first of all, open the browser on your Mac. Now head over to Xcode support website. You will find its link in the description. On this website, scroll down. Now you will see all the Xcode version and the minimum required OS version. Now from this list, you need to search for macOS version that you are currently using. Now for example, let's say I have macOS Ventura 13 on my Mac. Now for this, I can use Xcode 14.3.1. Now once you know which version of Xcode to download, you can head over to Xcode download page. You will find its link in the description. So here, you will have to sign into your Apple developer account. Sign in to continue. Now, click on the search bar and search for the Xcode version that you want to download. For example, I want to download Xcode 14.3.1. Now this is the Xcode version that I want. So click on View Details. After this, click on this download link to download the file. So this will start downloading the older version of Xcode. So these are the steps to download the latest and the older version of Xcode on your Mac.